In this video, we will learn how to use the grammar verb plus to infinitive. This is a common sentence structure which is often used to talk about preferences and intentions. Let's look at an example sentence. I like to paint. We often use this structure to talk about likes and preferences with verbs such as like, love, and hate. He likes to play the guitar. She loves to go to the cinema. She doesn't like to iron shirts. She hates to feel cold. We also use verb plus to infinitive to talk about plans, decisions, and intentions with verbs such as want, decide, plan, and need. I want to get a cat. She decided to go to university. She plans to start her own business. I need to go to the dentist. Let's review some WH questions. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to work out. Where do you want to go for a holiday? I want to go to Venice. Why do you need to buy a new car? Because my old car keeps breaking down. Yes/no questions. Do you like to play the guitar? Yes, I do. Do you want to watch a movie tonight? No, I don't. I need to study for tomorrow's test. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.